Welcome to our Kids English story class. Today we will learn English through a fun and magical story. Tamil explanation. Indha video la nammalale easy understand panamudium madhiri simple English story oda English kathukaro. Mickey, I want to fly high like the big birds. Squirrel. You can do it, Mickey. Just try. Tamil meaning. Mickey. Peria pakshinga madhiri nanum hai parakavinum. Squirrel. Ni mudium Mickey. Try pannupa. Mickey flapped her wings, but she was scared to fly. Mickey. What if I fall? Squirrel. Don't worry, I am here. Tamil explanation. Mickey wings flap panina, ana avaluku bayama irunduchu. Mickey. Nan vijundhu tena. Squirrel. Kavala padatha, nan iruken. Mickey jumped and flew a little. She felt happy. Mickey. I can fly, I can fly. Tamil. Mickey china haitla jump pani konjam paranthuchu. Aval sandosha ma irundhuchu. Suddenly a strong wind blew. Mickey lost her balance. Mickey. Oh no. Squirrel. Hold on, Mickey. Tamil. Achanaka strong wind vanduduchu. Mikey balance lose panita. Mickey took a deep breath and tried again. This time she flew beautifully. Mickey. I am brave now. Tamil. Mickey deep breath eduthu thirumba try panina. Inda darum aval rumba nala parantha. All the forest animals clapped for Mickey. Animals. You did it. Tamil. Ella forest animals. Amiki ku aplu pananga.